everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here again at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to explain to you and compare the difference between a DIY, do-it-yourself property manager and a pro, a professional property manager, and how much money you're actually spending doing it yourself versus hiring a professional management company like Nexus. So what I'm going to do is break down two examples so you can easily and simply see what the difference can be for you. Now, the first topic I want to talk about is leasing. So leasing is something that is going to take a great deal of time for somebody that's not experienced and fluid in the operations. So what we've gathered is that a DIY property manager is spending about 50 hours of their time for one apartment rental. Now, this doesn't include the maintenance and prep work, cleaning, painting, getting it ready. This is just the leasing process. So it's going to be your photos, videos, showings, postings online, processing applications, securing deposits, exchanging keys, lease generation. The whole process usually takes about 50 hours for somebody who's inexperienced. Now, if you make about $25 an hour at your normal job, let's use this as what your time is actually worth. So you take those 50 hours, multiply it by that $25 an hour, and you're actually costing yourself $1,250 to rent that apartment. Now, if you have a professional like Nexus do it, we spend about 5 hours in total on the entire leasing process. Can you believe that? That's about a 90% reduction in time, and we get it done much quicker and more professionally. And our cost is only a half month's rent or $450, whichever of the two is greater. For the purposes of this example though, let's say the apartment is only $900. We are going to charge just $450. Now think about that. You costed yourself $1,250. We charge just $450. And on top of that, it does get better. We offer 2 warranties on the tenant we place. So you can't beat it, right? That's an $800 savings just on one apartment. Now imagine if you have more than one unit. So the second topic I want to cover here is management duties. So these are the day-to-day operations such as rent collection, statements, processing expenses, owner draws, inspections, phone calls, emergency calls, filings, notices from the insurance company, whatever it may be, whatever comes across on the day-to-day is what we take care of for just 8% of the collected rent. So you probably will spend, once again, about 50 hours, okay, per year, per unit on management duties. So the same cost, it's roughly $1,250. For Nexus to manage that same apartment, it's just about $850. So once again, you're saving about $400 there, $1,200 in total for the purposes of this example, and the most important thing is you get your time back. So once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.